And it's Ken Kreitzer for Canvas meeting. We're at the White Plains High School for the 2024 Tri-State Engineering Expo. Great gathering of students, parents, representatives of engineering industries and engineering educational centers, military academies here, Navy and Army. And let's take a little walk around and see some of the booths at today's expo. And see our first down, SFPE and JMC Site Development. We've got Woodard and Curran, and New York State Society for Professional Engineers are here. And we've got New York City Post of the American Military Engineers, Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers, Cuomo Engineering, and our friends, hi, from Manhattan College. And sir, tell us, what's Cuomo Engineering? What's your company?
We're structural engineers. So we design new buildings, we renovate old buildings. I went to Manhattan College, table next door.
Great to see you, thank you. And our friends at Manhattan, we talked to a lot. And the MOLS, which is the Society of Engineers who work on subterranean projects like water pipes and subways and bridge foundations, some very difficult engineering applications. We've got Dominican University, and I believe they're up in Rockland County, Knapp Company, Evolution of Construction Documentation. Got Fairfield University, General Contractors Association of New York, and the Metropolitan Section of New York and New Jersey, ITE. How are you? And Kiewit, bold, proud, driven, our friends there. Good to see you. Maybe tell us a little bit about your company.
Yeah, we're Kiewit. My name's Hassan.
I'm Jessica.
I'm Catherine Costello.
And we're here to represent Kiewit. We're a national construction company. We build anything from large-scale infrastructure to water. We have different subsidiaries. We have very big projects all across New York. We're always recruiting engineers. We're a full-service design and build firm. And for more information, check us out at kiewit.com.
Yeah, great to see you. Thank you. And got all our friends from West Point we talked to a little bit earlier. They very busy booth. Got several juniors, also several freshmen. They're called plebes at West Point. And there's a saying there that at the end of the year, or just around graduation, they graduate and become sophomores, and a big day for them. We've got GEI Services, Keller, a geotechnical specialty contractor, LSOL Contracting, Fairleigh Dickinson University, a lot of people at their booth, very busy. And got the United States Coast Guard Academy, and Structural Engineers Association, and Delve Underground. So they do some big projects on foundations and infrastructure. Naval Academy, we visited with them. Also the Navy, Forged by the Sea. And WT, Whitney Turner. Good to see them here. And big booth for Syracuse University. Now, obviously a big draw. The Orange, we talked to one of their representatives about all the engineering programs at Syracuse. Westchester County, we talked to County Executive George Latimer. How are you? Today was just visiting Walsh Engineering. Talked to them just a little bit with the Walsh Group. Big projects they worked on LaGuardia Airport and Vassar Brothers Medical Center. But that's a big accolade that they worked on LaGuardia Airport. Now go down this aisle. AECOM. Integrated. How are you? Arcanis. And the Construction Management Association of America. Great to see all the students here. Wentworth Institute. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Good. I remember Wentworth. I did volleyball when I was a student at Wentworth up in Boston. Tell us a little bit about your school.
Actually, we're with the CM program, Construction Management, one of the top 5 CM programs in the country. We have co-op semesters, which is one of the highlights of our program, where 2 semesters you will go out and work for construction management companies. If you do your optional sophomore co-op, you can graduate with a year of experience.
Great to see you. I really enjoyed my visits to Wentworth up in Boston. Great place.
Great, thank you.
See ya. Thank you. Got Kevil Enterprises and Skansky, Future Shaped by You. And Weeks, Civil and Mechanical Engineers. And Adro, good to see them here. On-ramp to financial services for internationals moving to the U.S. And Con Edison, good to see them. Con Edison keeps our lights going, and many other things. Barton Lugisi and Clarkson University up in Canton, New York, leading technology school. Also a very good hockey team. I went to a hockey game there once, a playoff game, when I was a student at Providence. So great to see Clarkson here from upstate New York, way upstate New York. And got the bridge design contest going. A couple of cadets are helping with that. And one more exhibit, the U.S. Merchant Marine. We talked a little bit with them out of Kings Point. And got another demonstration. See if we figure out. So many booths here. Great place to meet students, parents, and industry representatives. How you doing? How you doing? Hey, what's your company, PJS?
We're a civil engineering company. We have an electrical division, regular civil, concrete work, foundations, architectural work, and then a storm sewer and water main company.
Great, good to see you. Thanks for being with us today. Pleasure. Got tectonic engineering design. And just want to see if I can go back and get the name on this booth. Lots of little kids here doing problem solving from ASME. How you doing? How you doing? What's your company?
ASME, American Society of Mechanical Engineers.
Very good. What do you have all the kids doing?
Well, we have them doing some problem-solving activities. This is basically, they have 40 blocks here where they have to try to build a containment for a little hex bug, this guy, and keep them contained for 60 seconds. And then on the other end of the table, we have a snap circuit set for them to build basically a little circuit design and get it going.
Very good. Great booth here. Great activity for the children. Good to see you. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Great. See if children involved with an activity, they'll long remember. And we got some kids doing some tablet. And we have Lawrence Technological University all the way from Southfield, Michigan. And ESF, State University of New York Environmental Science and Forestry. And from the State University of New York. And we've got University of Buffalo. We know those guys. Been up there for an Army football game. Very impressive campus. IEEE, One Voice for Engineering, Commuting, and Technology. ARUP. How are you? Good. Maybe tell us a little bit about your company.
Sure, we're a large planning, engineering, and design consultancy firm. We're about 20,000 people globally, and about 2,000 in the States. So our office is down in New York City.
Very good. What's it like to be here today at the Expo?
It's great. I mean, it's lovely to see all these young folk here, and many of them trying to make decisions about going into engineering, which is wonderful.
Great to see you. Thanks for coming.
No problem.
And great to visit with some of the people with booths. And we got a summer internship from New York City Environmental Protection. And here it is, McLaren Engineering, the host company, tucked all the way in the back. And they are a civil engineering company and do lots of things. And one of which is hosting this event. Their executive chairman, Mal McLaren. This event is his pride and joy. And great to see them. And doing a lot of major projects. And they've got their space. And we got Lehigh University here in Pennsylvania. Great technology and engineering school. P.C. Rosen College of Engineering and Applied Science. Great to see Lehigh here. So that's kind of our quick tour of the exhibit hall here at the Tri-State Engineering Expo, and this is Ken Kreitzer. Very glad to help the people at McLaren be on the committee on the event, and it certainly is a great turnout of parents, industry, students, and different colleges in the engineering field. So this is Ken Kreitzer for Canvas Media at the Tri-State Engineering Expo 2024.